Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another advent calendar to share with you, and this time it's something for the men, and this is by Mandkind, and this is a 12-day advent calendar for 2020. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. The cost of this advent calendar is £100 and it has a value of £388, and inside contains 12 of the most premium male care products. So I'm going to be opening them up day by day, showing you exactly what's inside. So if you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself or for a loved one, then you'll find all the details listed down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. For you to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. My husband is so excited about this advent calendar. He loves it when I get boxes for him. He should be here with me, shouldn't he? Like, I would love it if he would, but no, he's terrified of being on the camera. But anyway, so let's get on to showing you what's in drawer one, what the drawers look like. We've got an advent product, and this is the glycolic acid rejuvenating face exfoliator. And there's 50 mils here. Gently massage a small amount into the skin after cleansing, then rinse the skin thoroughly with lukewarm water. So that's day one. Day number two, and we've got a Barber Grades Tonic, Hawkins and Brimble. Born in London Natural Grooming. It's an LME and ginseng oil control moisturiser with natural and naturally derived materials for sensitive skins. And there's 100 mils there. Ooh, oh, that sounds lovely. I'm gonna have to have a sniff of this one. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, my husband smells so nice. That on his face. Oh, it is lovely. Very, very lovely. So yeah, LME, I've never heard of that before. And ginseng. It's got a moisturiser in day number two. Day number three. This is by Menu, and it's a 3-minute detox excess oil remover, ultra concentrate, and there's 100 mils here. I'll have a look on the back now to see if it can give me any other information. It's a mask, so it's fast drying, deep cleansing, and absorbent mask with kaolin clay, witch hazel, and zinc oxide. Removes excess oil, dead skin cells, impurities, and blockages, leaving skin clean, dry, smooth, firm, and fresh. Good for normal, combination, and oily skins. It's got a face mask in day number three. Day number four. Ooh, we've got some toothpaste. This is by Marvis. I always call it Mavis. It's yeah, Marvis Aquatic Mint, and it's 85 mils here. My husband received another one in a beauty box a couple of months ago, and it's a silver one. So see, I don't know these things, I can't remember, and that one's really lovely, but I love the sound of aquatic mint, so he'll be sharing this with us lot. I'll just get it out and show you. I love the packaging. Really, really gorgeous packaging. It's smart, isn't it? So there's a toothpaste in day number four. Day number five. Tightly wrapped up. Woo! It's falling. Oh, we got a product by eCooking, and this is a multi-balm, fragrance-free, extremely moisturising for dry skin and lips. Oh, that is something completely new. My husband really likes this brand. With organic argan oil and olive blend. Multi-purpose balm is to put anywhere on your body in need of a bit of hydration, nourishment. So if you've got any dry patches, particularly good for cuticles as well. Even on your hair, multi-purpose balms can be used anywhere. They're a really handy product to have. So there's that. Day number six. This is Jack Black, authentic and original. Is that the Jack Black? Jack Black, the actor, I don't know. Intense Therapy Hand Cream with vitamin A and E, and it's 88 mils there. I don't know. I've heard of Jack Black, the actor, but I haven't heard of Jack Black products before. But the packaging is pretty cool, isn't it? That is really nice. So what is it? It's an Intense Therapy. I'm going to have to try this myself. Yeah, he's not going to mind. He's not going to mind. That is so thick. Look. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, it smells menthol. Like menthol eucalyptus. It just says provides soothing relief for dry, chapped and cracked hands. Feels really lovely. Really, really thick and creamy. So there's that. Day number 7. got a Medic 8, and this is a pore refining scrub, dual action, natural exfoliator, pore refining, 75 mils. Now this is a brand I would love to get to know a little bit more. I've been eyeing up their products for the last couple of months or so, wondering what type of products would be suitable for me, let alone my husband. Actually, he never came into it. But this is a purifying 2-in-1 facial scrub that exfoliates and refines in one simple step. Natural jojoba grains gently polish the skin surface to unveil a smooth, radiant complexion. Twin hydroxy acids lift impurities to tone, clarify, leaving pores virtually undetectable. That sounds great, doesn't it? So we got a pore refining scrub. Day number 8. What is this? It's Le Couvent de Minimes. I'm not going to say it. I'm just going to show you because I'm going to butcher the name, which is not fair. It's Via Domini. Yeah, it's 75 mils. There is some information on the back. I'll just read you that. Oh, whoa, it's a hiker's foot balm with 8 beneficial plant extracts. That was really surprising. Nourishes, soothes and protects dry and damaged feet thanks to 15% shea butter and 8 beneficial plant extracts. Borage, sunflower oil, ivy, tapioca, peppermint mint, green mint, lemony, litsi, lemon, dermatologically tested, creamy texture, instructions, apply in the evening to clean feet, massage particularly on the heels and dry areas. Oh, I wasn't expecting that at all. That is such a handy thing to have. I know there's lots of foot creams and things out there, but as this is particularly for people that do a lot of walking, I'm assuming. But my husband does hike. He does go, he's into cycling and hiking. Oh, I think he will really love that. So we've got a hiker's foot balm. Day number 9, Man Cave. This is a cedarwood shower gel with naturally derived ingredients. Cleanse, enrich and moisturise skin with cedarwood, L-arginine, tea tree and black pepper oil. And it's 200 mils there. Oh, that smells so nice. I gotta be careful it doesn't go whoosh in the nose. No, that is lovely. That is really nice. So it's a cedarwood shower gel. So there's that. 3 more to go. Number 10. We've got a little, it's an Esper product, and this is a 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser, nourishing eye cream to hydrate and soften. And there's 15 mils here. This is such a gorgeous brand. Yeah, it's gorgeous, so I'm sure that he will love that. And number 11. Or box number 11. How would you do this calendar if you were to get it for yourself? Would you do it from the 1st of December and do it every other day? Or would you do it, say, from day 12 and then do it that way? I don't know. Or 2 12-day advent calendars? So what are we now? Day number 11. Oh, it's a hair product, and this is by Aveda Men. This is Pure Formance Firm Hold Gel, maximum hold and control, and there's 150 mils there. She's got a hair gel. Last box of the advent calendar, number 12. We've got Doctor's Formula, and this is a original time reverse serum. It's an anti-aging serum with marine collagen, and this is 30 mils. Now, I received a Doctor's Formula product in another advent calendar recently. That product was over £100, so I know this is going to be a pricey product. Oh wow. Original time reverse serum. Smooth a pea-sized amount in gentle circular motions onto the skin every morning and evening after cleansing, toning and exfoliating. Packaging is so cool, isn't it? So you just take that off there. Just got a little pump action there. So we've got a face serum in box number 12. So those are all the products inside this year's Mandkind advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £100 and the value comes in at over £380. Some amazing products in there, really, really great brands. Lots of products my husband hasn't even heard of or tried before, so I'm sure he's going to be really excited to give them a go. Yeah, I think it's a really, really lovely advent calendar. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you purchased this for yourself or for a loved one? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.